How to change home and work addresses in Google Maps. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Your Data in Maps. Scroll down to the Personal Content section. Now tap Home or Work, depending on the address you want to update. If you've already saved an address, tap Edit or Change. Enter your new address in the search bar, then select the correct location from the list of suggestions. If you haven't set a home or work address yet, simply search for the location and tap Save. Your new address will be updated immediately and will be used for quicker directions and more personalized route suggestions in Google Maps. And that's it. You've successfully changed your home and work addresses in Google Maps. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.